If you want to make audio faster in CapCut, this is the quickest way to do it without overcomplicating the process. Whether you're speeding up voiceovers, music, or a clip with embedded audio, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can get it done in just a few seconds. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your CapCut project and go down to your timeline. The very first thing you need to do is select the clip that contains the audio you want to speed up. This can be the audio track itself, or it can be the video clip if the audio is attached to it. Once you click on it, you'll know it's selected because it will be highlighted in the timeline. Now look at the top right side of your screen. This is where CapCut shows the properties panel for whatever clip you selected. In that panel, find the speed tab and click on it. This is where CapCut gives you control over how fast or slow the clip plays back. Inside the speed section, make sure you're on the normal option. This is the simplest and most common way to speed up audio. You'll see a speed slider that you can drag to the right. As you move it farther right, the audio will play faster. For example, you can set it to 1.2x for a small boost, 1.5x for a more noticeable change, or even 2.0x if you want the audio to move much quicker. If you want exact control, you can also click the speed box and type in the multiplier manually. Now, here's the most important part, especially if you want your audio to still sound good. Right underneath that speed slider, you'll see an option that says Change Audio Pitch. If you leave this turned on, CapCut may change the sound of the voice or music in a way that can sound higher and a little unnatural. If you want cleaner, more natural sounding audio, make sure you uncheck that box or turn it off before you finish. This step is especially useful if you're speeding up speech because it helps prevent that squeaky chipmunk effect that can happen when pitch is changed along with speed. So always double check that setting before moving on. Once your speed is set and the pitch option is adjusted the way you want it, play the clip back and listen to the result. If it feels too fast, bring the speed down a little. If it's still too slow, increase it slightly. The goal is to find the best balance between speed and clarity, especially if you're editing a tutorial, a vlog, or a talking head video. And that's really all there is to it. Just select the clip, open the speed tab, increase the playback speed, and turn off Change Audio Pitch if you want the audio to stay natural. It's a simple trick, but it can save you a lot of time and help you tighten up your edits much faster. If this tutorial helped you, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss more CapCut tips and editing shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.